Well, all right, guys. Did you guys see the latest and greatest episode of Tom Billieu with Mo Godot? Well, if they really are worried about AI and what it's gonna do to the rest of the world, and will it take it over, and will we get the age of abundance and age escape velocity like Peter Diamandis, the Sugar Queen, and Brian Johnson wants us to live? Basically, live in a utopia where you have your own robot, and if you get sick, it'll do a surgery on you and fix you up real good. Or we could go the other way where the richest of them all, especially people in the government, like the people in our elected officials, take everything over and we become slaves to machines. Well, if you don't want that future to happen to you, there is a solution. You're not going to like it, but there is a solution. And the solution is bring forth universal basic income as soon as possible and give everybody a robot pet similar to this guy. Look at this. Vector the robot, which doesn't turn on. Look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing how I charged it again. And by the time I bring the thing to the car, it dies. Yay. So it basically lives now off of the charger, and then when it's not on the charger, it just dies. But anyway, imagine a good version of Vector that doesn't suck, that you could give to every newborn, and it's been given out for free by the government. And what it does is it's an AI tutor for every child that is born. So whether you live in a rich neighborhood or in the inner city, you get one of these, and it's trained on, wait for it, Eli the Computer Guy's Silicon Dojo, so that it can tutor all of our kids and keep them up to date with the latest and greatest. It also works as an alarm to wake up your kids at the right time, make sure they get to their activities at the right time, even if that activity is selling drugs at the street corner. No, don't do that. Let's not do that one, okay? Let's not do that one. Anyway, that was a joke, just in case you didn't know. But yeah, imagine if every child that is born has access to one of these things. It is not reliant on the cloud or an app or something stupid like the company falling apart, because it's government supplied and everybody has one, so that it will tell you, do not eat McDonald's or you will die very young of cancer. You know, make sure you do those 20 or 30 push-ups in between episodes of Netflix. You know, it has that little timer, and there's a little countdown between episodes. Yeah, you should do like 20 push-ups in between, because that'll save your life in the long run. But anyway, that's what we need. If you want to really save the world, this is how you do it. Pet robots that are free for everyone, and everybody gets one. And they have, it won't be the best AI in the world, but it'll be enough AI that you can use constantly, easily. It just plugs into any plug, right? So you don't have to worry about, it's not like one of those heart valves, right? You need a special battery for those heart valves to work. And then if you don't have access to a proper battery replacement, you just die because your heart stops pumping, right? If you had an electrical engineer with a buck converter, you could use a regular plug to reactivate your heart. But no, let's not save people. And that's the problem with capitalism, right? Because they want to have the proprietary battery and keep you stuck on the proprietary battery, you get to die from your heart valve failing. But anyway, you know, that's... Anyway, guys, so that is the future of technology. That is the future of technology. If you want to give people UBI because all the jobs are going to disappear, and this way you will have all kids educated, edumacated, as Eli the Computer Guy says, that's one way to do it. Just make AI free and available to everybody. Everybody, not just some folks. And we have a shot. We have a shot at abundance and age escape velocity. Let's see what happens. But, you know,